Hey everybody, so I just want to make a quick video on my monthly sales for the month of February on Amazon KDP. So let's take a quick look at it. So here's a quick overview of the months prior. So September when I started, I sold 4 books, October 6 books, November 10 books, December 21 books, January 31 books. So I've been seeing consistent increases in my number of books and money made. So that's great. Last month, February, I also had a high month. And I think that's due to Christmas and Valentine's Day. And the true test will be come March. We'll see how many we sell. Hopefully, I stay in the 20 range because that would make me really happy. But overall, I'd be happy with any sales. So let's take a look at February. So if you look here, February 1st from February 28th, these are the amount of books that I sold. So you'll see it's typically like this one day, or one day I'll sell one book, but I think due to Valentine's Day, we had some increases. So we sold 3, 4, 6 on one day, and then after Valentine's Day, you see it drop off. So I think I think Valentine's Day was the key to this month's success. So I sold a total of 40 books compared to last month, which was 31. And I had a sales of $22.54. This month, I made $36.40. So that's a huge amount to me. I'm not even factoring in all the dividends that I make. This is just with Amazon KDP. And, I started this Amazon KDP and dividends to start earning some passive income because I'm a diabetic and it's very expensive. And I figured I need a way to offset the amount of money I spend each month on medical supplies. And I think Amazon KDP is going to get me to that point where I can kind of break even. Believe me, it's going to be like 100, 150 I need to get to. But overall, if I can just double my books, and I'm hoping to do it by June, mid-year, and then add another 100 onto that, I think we're going to start seeing some decent amount of money made. I mean, I'm super blown away with the fact that I made 36 bucks last month and in a short amount of time. And you'll watch a lot of people's videos where they just start off and they earn 200. They're complete they're full of bullshit. So, I'm happy where I'm at. I'm happy where I'm going, and March will be, I think it'll level off, but overall I'm gonna keep pumping out books. I was sadly only able to make 3 books last month, so I'm at around I think 108, 110 books. But I'm gonna get focused on this because this is all passive income. So I'm doing nothing to sell these books. I literally upload them, and these are pretty much all the books that I've done months ago, and it's starting to get better. And I think it's because the algo is starting to pick it up. People are buying more, and I think it's looking good with the algo, and it's getting in front of more people, and I think that's why I'm picking up. So overall, I just want to share this, and I'll make some videos in conjunction with the amount of dividends that I make. But overall, it's looking very good in regards to passive income. So if I can do it, you can do it. So have a good day.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.